Hello and welcome to 274 Big Buck Road, a 20-acre retreat in the heart of Big Sky's Beaver Creek area, where wide open land, wildlife, and some of the most jaw-dropping views in Montana come together. Here, it's not uncommon to see elk, deer, or even bears moving through the property, a daily reminder that you're living in true Montana country. From nearly every angle, the views are nothing short of spectacular. Sweeping vistas of the Spanish Peaks, Gallatin Range, and a clear line of sight to Lone Peak. Inside, the home balances warmth and comfort with thoughtful updates, including a recently renovated kitchen that adds a modern touch while still fitting in with the Montana setting. The functional layout offers 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and 2 distinct living areas, creating spaces to gather or to spread out with ease. The main floor primary suite provides everyday convenience and privacy, while the office/reading nook on the top level is a cozy retreat with outstanding views. Above the oversized 2-car garage, a massive bedroom and living area opens up the endless possibilities, ideal as a mother-in-law suite, guest quarters, or private space for extended family. This is the kind of place where peace, privacy, and wide open skies define everyday life without sacrificing convenience. You're just 10 minutes from blue ribbon fly fishing on the Gallatin River, 15 minutes to groceries, restaurant, and the hospital, and only 25 minutes to world-class skiing at Big Sky Resort. 274 Big Buck Road offers space, views, wildlife, and location, all wrapped into one exceptional Big Sky property. This is Montana the way it was meant to be lived. I'm Michael Pitcairn with Outlaw Realty, and thanks for watching. Please reach out today for your tour of this incredible property.